We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs add-ons to enhance your document editing experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your document, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, you'll see Add-ons. Click on Add-ons and then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window. Now, you can browse through the list of available add-ons or use the search bar to find a specific one you need. Each add-on has a description and user reviews, so take a moment to read through them to ensure it fits your requirements. When you've found an add-on you like, click on it to see more details, and then click the Install button. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions for the add-on to function correctly, so review these and click Allow to proceed. After installation, the add-on will be available under the Extensions menu in Google Docs, where you can manage its settings or start using it right away. Some add-ons might add a sidebar to your document or new options in your toolbar, so explore them to get familiar with the new capabilities. Remember, add-ons can help with tasks like formatting, citation management, or even language translation, so they can be really useful for different types of documents. If you ever need to remove an add-on, just go back to Extensions, click Add-ons, then Manage Add-ons, where you can uninstall any you're no longer using. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.